Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gavinsky's Tutorials. Today I'm going to walk through some of the new features in the latest update to Bleass Tides. So this delay plugin with effects that you can add into the delay feedback loop. So first thing, it's now got gate as a modulation source, right? So it already had 3 LFOs. I did a video on this when it came out, so you can check that if you want to get more familiar with the app in a general way. It already had that. It had these 2 envelope options, envelope followers, right? But now it's got this gate, so basically it can track the audio on the same channel, right? That's main, or we can use a sidechain source. We'll look at that in a minute. So then it'll take that audio, and when the audio passes over the threshold here, the gate will open, and then we can set, how long it'll take to fully open and how long it will hold for at its maximum level, and then how long it will take to release again. So if you see here, I've set the destination to the resonance of the low pass filter on the input audio. So that's this jiggling up there. You see that? So we can also flip this, right? Just make it reverse its direction. We have a mount here. We also have option for positive and negative values here. Okay, so that's the first thing that's new. So you could do all sorts of stuff with this. Anything that might benefit from rhythmic pulsing effects and stuff, this could be useful for. Second thing, if you see here now, in this section, we've got, like for all the sources, instead of having to manually select destinations from lists like you did before, it now has this learn button. So let's say I want to map, LFO1 to something, I don't know, let's see, say this ring modulation amount or whatever. All I have to do is just press learn here and then just, tap here, and that's now set to ring modulation amount, and then I can add the amount here. So if you look at the envelope followers as well, they can now also use sidechain as a source. But we'll go back to the gate to take a little look at that. So here, let's see. So here I've got kick drum. Okay, now we don't have to listen to that, but we can if we want. If I go back to Tides, and if I go to, well, we could just use this, hang on. Okay, so gate. So here, let me just change it from main to sidechain. You see now how that's tracking that kick drum. And again, same things, adjust threshold and attack and hold and release and so on to taste. So, like here, for example, I'm going to use this drum. Here as the source for the sidechain signal for the gate effect, and gate here is affecting this low pass filter frequency. So let's look just quickly at how to set up the sidechain. So this is going to be different in different hosts. Here I'm looking at the host AUM on my iPad. So here, this is the main instance of Tides, right? Now notice this A41, right? So then I go to the channel that's producing the audio that I want to use as the sidechain source. I click here, go to multi-bus audio unit instances, and then choose here, right, the one that I want. So if you've got several of them open, you'll have a few different options here. This is the one that I want. Now I don't need to click it because I've already set it up here. Okay, and you can see that there, again, responding to that kick drum. And we can turn that drum down if we don't actually want to hear it, and we just want to use it as a modulation source. And so, then, obviously, if we change the audio on the sidechain channel, if I change things like the decay, for example, of this kick drum, then, that's going to potentially change the way the gate behaves. As obviously we'll play around with stuff like the amount here in the gate section. So, hope that was useful for you folks. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.